once Richard comes over here.
Like a half-inch drive.
I'm probably gonna need to use the adjustable lens. I don't want the these. This is gonna suck. Check that one. See if that one will fit. Because I think that 24 is close to a 1 1/8. Let me know if that's it. If not, we'll try something else. Is that it?
Nope. It's way too big.
Too big? Okay.
And the socket's too big still.
15, 16 cents. Yeah.
It's closer to it, but it's still too big. That'll work.
That's it? Good luck. But if you just rub that belly for good luck. Just rub that belly.
Get your ass over here.
You got it, Plotty. You got it.
Get your ass over here.
Me too.
Well, you can't break that one loose? I don't understand. Why? You can't put the impact on it? For the extension?
It didn't move at all.
Well, it's because you got to bang it longer.
Well, she said.
Mm-hmm.
Be on there.
In a second. So this lift kit actually shows that there's supposed to be some drop bracket or some extension bracket for the shocks, but I'm not going to worry about it because it didn't come with it because that's fully extended. And if we put a shock extension on there, it's not going to work. It's going to be too long. So I'm just going to take our chances and assume that these are instructions for multiple lifts that come same style kit, just multiple different styles. Put that on there. You should have a problem. If you do blow it out, it's under warranty. I'm gonna cover it. As long as they don't see this video. You need me to get underneath there or you got it? You want me to give it a go? Huh?
Needs to go that way.
Let me see.
Right?
Which way is the bolt?
Bolt.
Which one is the nut?
No, I should come down.
Yeah, you're going the wrong way.
You come down, okay.
You get away from me.
You just have to put me.
Yeah, he just put some stank on it.
I was going the other direction and then stopped.
Oh. Come on. Take it off. Yep. Good? Yeah. Oh, there it is. Go.
Ready?
Yep. There it goes. It's breaking loose. All right, do it again.
Ready?
Yep. All right, that should be enough.
Ready?
Yep.
Is the back of the bolt turning? No.
Yeah, it might be.
Yeah.
We'll put a backup on there then real quick. Hold on.
Yeah.
Before you step on that.
Yeah. 21's right here.
Yep, go ahead.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, should be good.
Creeper after I ran this one over.
You what?
I don't know why you talking out of buying a new creeper after I ran this one over.
Yeah, I could have sworn I said, hey man, you should probably buy a new creeper. And you were like, no, this one's perfect. I don't need it. It's my friend.
I ran it over.
I don't recall that conversation at all. I was pretty sure I said, hey, I ran the creeper over. You get a new one. You're like, nah, that one still works. Straighten the wheels up a little bit. It'll be fine. Here I am fucking dragging ass on this thing.
So who actually said that?
I told Richard to go buy a new one. And he said, no, I'll be fine.
And then I was like, I'm gonna go buy a new one. And you're like, no, don't do that. Wait. You notice he always grabs a good one.
Because it's mine.
You ran over it. That one's yours.
Pretty sure I'd have ran yours over.
And that's how that's done. Right there. Don't let it crush it. Don't let it roll on your toes.
So bad.
It's not really bad.
Also, this stuff.
You put it to yeah, so.
Huh?
Can I put one on?
Yeah.
Can I put those ones?
Here, just spin that one. You want to dry put this one on? Got it?
Mom, go with the. What in the pipe for you? Why are you there, Mom?
might be other setup. I don't really have anywhere to
Okay. Okay, I'm at 71 and a quarter. So let's go to the front. That's below by a 16th. It's 71 and 3/16. So it's 71 and a quarter of the rear, and then it's 71 and 3/16. So it's good. It's on. It's a 16th towed in. So we're good on that. We just need to adjust the drag link. Yay! I'll tell you what, I'm really happy about that because it's been a long day. It's been a long day. What do you think, man? You happy about the way it turned out? I mean, when did we get started? We started at what?
Yeah, we're starting.
1:30.
Before I got back, about 1:30.
It was 1:30 when we started on it, and then
We're back around 2.
so it's 9 o'clock now. So roughly what? Is that 7 hours?
8 hours. Roughly 8 hours.
Yeah, it's about between 7 and 8 hours. That's not bad for a lift kit, and then now we're just gotta adjust the drag link and we're done. So it's pretty good, man. If we had a 2-post lift, it would have been faster. It would have been a lot faster if we had a 2-post lift. Probably would have been about 4 hours. It's just rolling around your back and kind of takes up a lot of time. Your tools being scattered all over the place. Like, where's the 21? I need this the 18. Where's the 18? It gets pretty hectic and stuff. So pretty good. All right. Well, let's
Down to a third of the time with a 3-post lift.
now we're talking. Now we're talking. All right. Let's adjust this drag link. All right.
And there's no go from the limit.
We're gonna go home when I'm done with this, buddy.
You're done tying that.
No, I'm loosening it now so I can adjust it. I have to adjust the drag link to fix the steering wheel because the steering wheel's crooked back in the lift kit.
Oh. But now you're done. But what? I forgot when you're gonna come home.
She forgot when I was gonna come home?
Yeah.
No, I never said when I was gonna come home. I just said whenever I was finished with this, buddy.
Your first time home.
And we'll do dinner, or maybe I'll see where Mom's at, and then on her way home, maybe she could pick us up something. Pick us up something, maybe. Can you get me the pipe wrench, the blue wrench that's in? Alright, well, it was closer. It was much closer, but it's still off a little bit, so we're going to try to get this thing absolutely perfect, and that way her steering wheel is straight and none of her warning lights come on from thinking that she's driving sideways down the freeway. So let me get this loosened up and then let me know how much that steering wheel turns. So you know how much it needs to turn now, roughly, so go watch that for me and let me know. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
A little bit, buddy. Hey, watch out so he doesn't run you over.
How much is that turn?
A little more. Maybe like 2 more turns.
There?
A little more.
Now, where did y'all win?
All right. It looks good.
Well, it's fun today. Not what I was expecting to do. I didn't think we were going to get it done in a day, to be honest with you. I thought we'd been working on this tomorrow too. So to knock it out as fast as we did with the alignment, I'm actually pretty happy about that. So thanks for helping. By the way.
I really appreciate you guys helping me out.
Yeah. Thank you for recording. Thank you for recording that. I really appreciate that. So
Yeah, I figured we'd finish it today.
yeah. Well, you know, I don't like to say that because every time it seems like I say I'll have it done at this time, or oh, it'll only take me this long. So if I'm like, oh, it's going to take me 4 days to do it, I might get done in 2 days. But if I say, oh, it'll take me 2 days to do it, it's taking me 4 days to do it. So, but I like it. I like it. I think it looks really good. It's a lot more aggressive than what it was before.
Definitely.
You get those pictures, so that way I can show what the before and after is and everything. Now we just gotta get you to go take it off-roading back at Hidden Falls, so you can redeem yourself in that ledge that you punctured your tire.
Yeah, definitely.
So, all right. Any final words? That's it. We're good. All right. Till next time.